Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Lamborghini Aventador engine bay, only way. Stand at the rear, unlock the car with the key or key fob, then press the rear trunk release button once. Shift the small locking latch toward the passenger side while lifting the rear deck gently with both hands. Keep fingers clear of hinges and use a soft pad to protect paint when propping the deck open. Approach the rear of the Aventador and visually confirm the deck alignment and latch area before touching anything. Use the key fob to unlock doors and rear trunk, then press the trunk release around the rear center. Place hands on each side of the deck and lift slightly to relieve latch tension, then move the safety catch toward the indicated direction and raise the deck firmly using both hands and controlled motion. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video now. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and voice control while you work on the car. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. With both hands on the deck, lift slowly until you feel the latch release and the hydraulic struts begin to support the weight. Keep the deck level and avoid sudden movements, allowing the struts to take over smoothly so nothing drops or creaks. If struts are weak, use a padded prop to secure the deck before working, and always keep fingers clear of closing points while performing inspections or maintenance inside the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.